Sound squared!
Yeah.
Yo!
Vocals on that square. Yo, what's good, what's good? SEVNSIX here, back with another video. So I've been listening to this new artist lately, and I've really been kind of rocking with their stuff. So I thought, why not make a beat in her style and pretty much just show everybody what's up, So we're gonna be making a beat for Paloma Mami. She's kind of a rising artist coming out of the East Coast. She went viral in mid-2018 with her track Not Steady and has been on the rise since. She's of American and Chilean descent, so of course we're gonna take both of these into account while we're creating this beat. Her style is, for me, I kind of rate her under like a contemporary R&B with Latin influence. So we're really gonna be pushing to create something with R&B and Latin influence in this video. It's important that we hit these points because her style is really based around provoking emotion, and you can hear it in her music. So I'm gonna break down everything that you need to really achieve this sound. First things first, this style of music is considered like a Latin dancehall or reggaeton, essentially, since there's a lot of Latin dance elements in these beats. So when it comes to these kind of beats, you want your BPM to be a bit slower than usual in order to emulate that Latin groove. So you can really stick your BPM in between like the 90 to the 110 BPM range to best achieve the sound. Secondly, you're going to need to spend some time going through your sound selection and picking a lot of realistic sounding drums. Percussion is one of the most, if not the most important part of creating these kind of beats, so really go through your sound selection. Lastly, your melodies got to be straightforward and catchy. Really experiment with your keys and maybe even make your melodies chord heavy. This is kind of a staple in Latin music, so you're really going to need all of this to properly duplicate and achieve this sound.